Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can invite someone to your diagrams on Coggle, for example, to work with the given person on the given diagram or chart. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your diagram on Coggle, and I will go with this one here. Let me just zoom out a bit. So what you want to do, guys, is click into this button here at the top, plus, and then you see the invite button, and below simply enter the recipient's email address, and here without any typos, of course, click into send, and that is going to send the invitation via email to the given user so that he or she may for example accept the invitation and start working with you on the given diagram, or decline the invitation or ignore it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.